Today we're going to use make 10 to subtract. So by doing this, we are going to decompose the number you are subtracting to get back to 10, then subtract the rest. So if I'm looking at 18 minus 9, I need to think, how many do I need to take out of the 18 to get back to 10? So what you want to do when you're doing that is you want to look at the ones place. The ones place is going to tell you how many you have to go back to get to that 10. So I know I need 8 to get back to 10. By pulling the 8 out of the 9, how much do I have left? I have 1. So I broke this 9 into 8 and 1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 8. Well, I'm going to cross that off first. Then I'm going to do 18 minus 8, which gets me back to that 10 here. And what do I have left? I have 1. So now I'm going to think, 10 minus 1 would be 9, because 9 and 1 are friends of 10. Okay, so now we're going to look at 14 minus 6. I'm going to use that trick again where I'm looking at the ones place. How many do I need to go back to get to that 10? I need 4. So I'm going to pull 4 out of 6. And by pulling 4 out of 6, so 6 minus 4 leaves me with 2. Okay, so I got rid of that 6. 14 minus 4. I'm going to circle that, showing that that's what gets me to my 10. And how many do I have left? I have 2 left. So 10 minus 2. So let me think. I can count back. I can think by counting back 2. Or, you know, your friends of 10, 2 and what are friends of 10? If you said 2 and 8, you were correct. Okay, we're going to do one more together before I have you try it by pausing the video. Okay, so let's look at this next one. We have 15 minus 7. So I'm going to use that trick again where I'm looking at the ones place. So if I have 15, I need to take away 5 to get back to 10. So I'm going to pull the 5 out of the 7. And by pulling the 5 out of the 7, I have 2 left. Oh, really quick. We're going to go back. We also want to put our final difference up at the top too. Okay. So I took 5 out of 15. By taking 5 out of 15, I got to that 10. Here I have 2 left, so I'm going to do that. And we just did one like this. What was friends with 2 to make 10? If you said 8, you are correct. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. I'm also going to put my final difference up here. Okay, so this one, I want you guys to pause the video and try yourself and then come back once you have it done. So go ahead and pause. Okay, so let's go through your work to see if you did it correctly. So I have 14 minus 9. I'm going to look at my ones place, and in my ones place I have a 4, so that means I have to go back 4 to get to 10. So I'm going to pull 4 out of 9. By pulling 4 out of 9, how many did I leave? So I'm going to get rid of my 9. 9 minus 4 is, if you said 5, you are correct. So 14 minus 4 got me back to my 10. And I have 5 left to take away. This one better be simple. 10 minus 5 is 5, because 5 and 5 are friends of 10. So then we're going to put our 5 up here for our final difference. And that is how you make 10 to subtract by using decomposing.